The patient is placed in lateral decubitus position. In the subclavian space, the tendon is evaluated. A burr is used to decorticate for bleeding footprint. Anchor B is inserted. Anchor A is inserted. Anchor D is inserted. Anchor C is inserted. The strand of 4 anchors are present in the subclavian space. The first tendon hole is created. 2 strands from Anchor A and Anchor B are clamped. The second tendon hole is created. The third tendon hole is created. The fourth tendon hole is created. All the 8 strands from Anchor A and B are passed through the tendon. The strands of 2 lateral anchors are also present. One blue strand of Anchor A, as well as one white strand from Anchor B, are retrieved through the lateral portal. The first set of double pulley suture bridge is created. The double pulley suture bridge is divided into the subclavian space. The first set of double pulley suture bridge compresses the tendon against the footprint. The opposite 2 strands are clamped out of the body. The second set of double pulley suture bridge is created. The third and fourth double pulley suture bridge will be created. All the 4 strands from Anchor A and D are all used to create 4 sets of double pulley suture bridge. The strands from Anchor B and C are also present. The strand from Anchor B and C will be created into the other 4 strands of double pulley suture bridge. A total of 8 sets of double pulley suture bridge are created to compress the tendon against the footprint. The schematic diagram of 4-angle double pulley suture bridge technique